This is basement fire alarm test 16. Let's get started and look at all the devices. So right here we have an EST SIGA-278 dual action pull station with the key that has been converted into conventional so it can be used with this panel. Now, going up above here, we have this. This is an EST Integrity horn strobe model 757-3A-T. You can't really see it because of the glare, but it's SOM 30 candela and is set to code 3 low volume, self-coded. And today we're going to start by testing the smoke detector for once. We're going to test this just with a magnet. And now we can pull the SIGA. So now the alarm is silenced, and we'll go ahead and reset the pull station real quick. Just by putting the key in, adjusting that handle back up, flipping the switch and closing it back to reset. So now we'll go step over here and reset the fire alarm. So that's the end of the video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both help support the channel. Thank you and have a great day.